Hello design lovers. Welcome back to Oraanj Interior Design, where we bring you the latest in home decor, styling tips, and expert insights to make your space truly spectacular. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting aspects of interior design: textiles. Fabrics and patterns shape the atmosphere of a home. And 2025 is bringing some incredible new trends that you won't want to miss. Whether you're planning a complete home makeover or just looking to refresh your space, stay with us as we explore the colors, materials, and motifs set to take over interiors in the coming year. Textiles are more than just decorative elements. They're fundamental to how a space feels and functions. The right fabric can transform a room, softening harsh lines, adding layers of comfort, or making a bold statement with an eye-catching pattern. And in 2025, designers are pushing boundaries like never before, blending tradition with cutting-edge innovation. From sustainable breakthroughs to digital-inspired prints, the world of textiles is evolving in ways that will inspire homeowners and interior enthusiasts alike. So, let's dive in and discover what's next for fabrics and patterns in home design. Let's start with a game changer: sustainability. Eco-conscious living is no longer a niche movement, it's a necessity, and textile designers are fully embracing this shift. In 2025, sustainable fabrics will not only be an ethical choice, but also a defining feature of modern interiors. Innovation in textile production is making it easier than ever to merge style with sustainability, ensuring that homes remain both beautiful and environmentally responsible. With new advancements in recycled materials, biodegradable fibers, and low-impact dyeing techniques, sustainability is becoming seamlessly integrated into the very fabric of interior design. Beyond just organic cotton, linen, and hemp, designers are pushing boundaries with bio-based materials that minimize environmental impact. One exciting development is lab-grown textiles, fabrics produced from bacterial cellulose that mimic the luxurious drape of silk, but with a completely renewable and biodegradable process. This innovation means we can create high-end interiors without depleting natural resources. Reclaimed textiles are also gaining momentum, with major brands launching circular fabric programs where discarded textiles are reprocessed into new materials, reducing textile waste significantly. Imagine a stylish, high-quality fabric made entirely from pre-loved garments. This is the future of sustainable design. Natural dyeing techniques are another aspect of sustainability making waves in 2025. Instead of chemical dyes, designers are turning to plant-based pigments from sources like indigo, turmeric, and even avocado pits to create stunning, rich colors that don't harm the environment. This shift not only makes textiles safer for homes, but also contributes to reducing water pollution in production processes. Another fascinating innovation is adaptive textiles. Smart fabrics embedded with technology to respond to their environment. Some can regulate temperature, keeping homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Others are designed to purify the air by absorbing toxins, turning everyday home fabrics into functional, health-enhancing elements. Eco-conscious living is no longer a niche movement, it's a necessity, and textile designers are fully embracing this shift. In 2025, sustainable fabrics will be more than just an ethical choice. They'll be at the forefront of interior design. Organic cotton, linen, and hemp continue to dominate, but the real innovations are happening in recycled and upcycled materials. Have you heard of fabric made from ocean plastics? Brands are now turning discarded fishing nets and plastic bottles into stunning upholstery fabrics that are not only durable, but also incredibly chic. Similarly, biodegradable textiles made from algae and mushroom fibers are making their way into high-end interiors. And let's talk about tencel. This plant-based fiber has a silky, luxurious feel and is produced with minimal environmental impact. Imagine draping your sofa with a fabric that's not only irresistibly soft, but also breathable and moisture-wicking, making it ideal for homes that prioritize comfort and sustainability. Now, let's get into color. In 2025, we're seeing a fascinating contrast. On one end, nature-inspired hues like terracotta, sage green, and deep ocean blues continue to dominate. These shades bring a grounding effect, connecting our interiors to the natural world. Earthy tones aren't just about subtlety, they also have a rich depth that makes spaces feel warm and inviting. Deeper, more saturated variations of these shades, such as burnt sienna and forest green, are emerging, adding drama while still maintaining that organic connection. These hues are perfect for upholstery, statement rugs, and even textured wallpapers that create a cocooning effect in a room. On the other end, bold and playful colors make a statement. Think vibrant corals, deep plums, and even electric blues. Designers are encouraging us to embrace color confidence, mixing and matching unexpected hues for a fresh, modern aesthetic. Experimental color blocking is becoming a popular way to introduce these striking shades into interiors. Imagine a plum velvet armchair set against a coral-painted wall, or an electric blue ottoman contrasting with soft pastel surroundings. For those hesitant to commit to large-scale color changes, accessories and textiles offer an easy way to experiment. A jewel-toned velvet cushion against a soft neutral sofa, a brightly patterned throw draped over a minimalist chair, or a vividly colored lampshade can instantly inject personality without overwhelming the space. Layering different hues within the same color family, like warm oranges with terracotta or cool blues with deep navy, creates a more harmonious yet visually striking effect. Let's talk patterns, because textiles aren't just about texture, they're about personality. In 2025, pattern trends are split between two key directions. First, we have organic, nature-inspired designs. Think botanical prints, oversized florals, and abstract watercolor effects. These bring a sense of tranquility and movement, making them perfect for curtains, bedding, and statement chairs. What's exciting is how these natural motifs are being reimagined in a modern way. Watercolor florals with blurred edges, leaf patterns that appear almost hand-drawn, and earthy, painterly textures that feel artistic and unique. The goal here is to create an immersive, almost meditative environment where fabrics play a key role in enhancing relaxation and well-being. On the flip side, geometric and digital-inspired patterns are also taking center stage. Sharp lines, pixelated motifs, and futuristic 3D textures are being used to create striking contrast in modern interiors. Expect to see optical illusions, layered geometric grids, and even algorithm-generated patterns that add a dynamic, contemporary feel to any space. These designs bring an almost architectural quality to textiles, making them ideal for structured upholstery pieces, feature walls, and even rugs that serve as statement pieces. Another key trend is the revival of classic patterns with a fresh twist. Houndstooth, plaid, and Art Deco-inspired motifs are making a comeback, but with updated color palettes and scale. Oversized checks in unconventional hues, intricate geometric Art Deco details woven into luxurious fabrics, and contemporary takes on traditional damask prints are all adding depth and character to interiors. This fusion of the past and future allows for a more curated, eclectic aesthetic where heritage patterns meet innovative design techniques. Texture is having a major moment, and in 2025, we're seeing a resurgence of luxurious, tactile fabrics. Boucle remains a favorite, but it's evolving with even richer weaves and deeper textures. Expect to see buccal armchairs, ottomans, and even headboards that bring warmth and sophistication. In addition to boucle, we're witnessing a revival of chenille, a fabric known for its soft, plush texture that adds a cozy yet elegant feel to any space. Designers are incorporating chenille into everything from statement sofas to accent cushions, allowing homeowners to create inviting and comfortable interiors. Another fabric making waves is mohair. Often associated with high-end fashion, mohair is now stepping into the interior design realm with its luxurious sheen and ultra-soft feel. As a naturally insulating fiber, it works brilliantly in colder climates, making it an excellent choice for throws and blankets. We're also seeing an increased interest in textured wovens, fabrics that combine different fibers, such as wool blends or silk-infused cotton, are bringing a new level of depth to interiors. The interplay of textures, whether through a mix of smooth and nubby surfaces or light and heavy materials, is creating visually dynamic and layered aesthetics that feel both contemporary and timeless. Beyond upholstery, wall textiles are making a dramatic comeback. Fabric-paneled walls and oversized textile art are emerging as key trends, adding dimension and warmth to spaces while softening acoustics. This renewed focus on textiles in wall treatments is an evolution of the move towards more tactile, sensory-driven design in modern homes. Velvet, too, is sticking around, but with a modern twist. Matte velvet is replacing the high-shine finishes of previous years, offering a softer, more refined look. Pairing these luxe textures with raw materials like stone and wood creates a stunning contrast that feels both inviting and elevated. So how can you make these trends work for you? The best part is, you don't need to overhaul your entire space. Small changes can make a big impact. Swap out your cushion covers for bold patterns, introduce a textured throw, or reupholster a chair in a sustainable fabric. If you're a fan of neutrals but want to experiment, try layering different shades of the same color, say a mix of cream, taupe, and warm gray, to create depth without losing that minimalist feel. Another easy way to incorporate these trends is through statement rugs. A patterned or textured rug can serve as the foundation of a room, tying together various design elements and instantly transforming the space. Try a geometric design for a contemporary edge, or a nature-inspired print for a softer, organic feel. Curtains and drapery are also powerful tools for integrating textiles into your home. Consider linen or tencel curtains in trending hues like sage green or deep plum to add depth and warmth. If you're feeling adventurous, opt for a two-tone or ombre effect to introduce subtle color transitions that feel fresh and modern. For an unexpected twist, think beyond traditional fabric applications. Upholstered headboards, fabric-covered wall panels, or even textile-based artwork can add texture and personality in ways that go beyond the usual cushions and throws. These elements work particularly well in open-concept spaces, helping to define different areas while maintaining a cohesive, stylish look. That's a wrap on 2025's hottest textile trends. Which one is your favorite?